Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Discord webcam not working on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 or 11, process is same. Click on start and open settings. Now here guys, you have to click on privacy. And in privacy, click on camera. Make sure this option is on. Allow apps to access your camera. And also guys, you can, if in case it's off, so make it on. And also guys, you can turn on manual camera for particular app. So find out this code and turn on. And also turn on desktop apps to access your camera. So turn on these setting for camera and restart your system. After restart, one thing you can try, click on start and search here troubleshoot settings and click on additional troubleshooters. In this list you have to find out camera. You will not find here, but if you are using Windows 11, so you will see camera in list. So select it and troubleshoot. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy way, you can fix and resolve Discord webcam not working. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.